Hey guys, I'm Bard the bartender, and I have arrived from Raccoon Village. This is how humans make herbs. So, much in the Resident Evil fashion since the first Resident Evil, herbs have been in the game. Green herbs, red herbs, blue herbs. Green herbs heal you, red herbs maximize the healing, and blue herbs either cure poison or they, if I'm not mistaken, increase your permanent health. If not, that's yellow, but I think it's blue. We're gonna make some herbs, and we're also gonna make some regrets, so let's start making herbs. 3 herbs, really simple recipe. Mind you, these are pretty much shots, so don't make as much as I am. This is gonna be for your whole campaign. Starting out with green herbs. I would go with a melon liqueur if you really need the green. You can also go with a lemon syrup and then blue curacao, but then everything kind of tastes the same-ish. But I'm going with a sour apple just because I want them to taste differently. You might say, well, that was easy. That's green herb. Okay, well, it gets worse. Let's at least try this first and stall my imminent demise. Super sweet, not much alcohol. I'm okay with that. Usually you come across a red herb next. It's slow. It's not that it's stronger. It's just that this color is super rich. I only needed that much and it made a beautiful color. But slow gin is extremely deep red. Really cool stuff. Great for fancy drinks. Also, it has a super good fruity note, so highly recommend that. God, this turned out perfect. I should be stalling more. If you've never had slow gin, get a slow gin. I have Phillips, which is not a high-end, it's an affordable brand. I think it was like 10 bucks for that bottle, maybe 13. But yeah, get a bottle, play with it, add some Sprite to it. This much to make it a beautiful color actually is a really good cocktail, and it's super low ABV. Maybe 7%, maybe like 5%, something like that. So low ABV, probably about a beer or less. Simple cocktail, and it looks great. I'm stalling. I don't want to do this. My fate has been sealed. Oh, that is actually a stronger blue than I expected. There you go. Okay, those are dead, so by the way, blue curacao is not blue flavored. It's actually orange because it's a curacao. So, this just tastes like a slightly orangey 7-Up. It's really good. So, Resident Evil, you might be aware, it's got a bunch of herbs. I also mentioned a moment ago that you have to mix the herbs. So, let us do that. We're gonna need some buses. Okay, so half of each, because green herb can cure maximum hit points when 50-50 with red, and that just took over the entire color. Green herb can cure poison and hit points, and you will never have enough inventory room to carry both at the same time usually. So you mix the two. Also, if you ever mix red and blue, you're a monster, and that won't do really much at all. You need to add a green to it, otherwise I don't think they actually can mix in most games because it's useless. This isn't the worst part. It's like fruit, and then Apple rides in on a horse and stabs it. It's very tart. I don't know. It's hard to drink, that's for sure. But I now have healed completely from any damage. Curing poison. Is that how you make blue raspberry? That tastes like a Freezy Pop, like a blue Freezy Pop. Green apple and orange? Is that a blue raspberry? And the non-existent drink. Oh, this thing already looks like a nightmare. Now it's bland, much like the effects it would have. Huh. But then you get a brown pile if you mix all 3 herb types. Well, the game designers are actually very clever because this came out to an awkward brown pile of sludge. Let me get a light behind it. Okay. It's gonna be weird. The most valuable herb. Oddly, it kind of tastes medicinal. Get a better tasting profile. It's weird, it's like the tart hits right here, specifically like right here. Sour tart hits there. The carbonation is just mostly gone. It tastes like slightly sour slow, but not in a very dramatic way. But then you get like this weird reaction down here. It is not a happy drink. Don't do this. Okay. Help me fight the algorithm so I can do more stupid stuff like this, because I do enjoy it as much as the learning curve is sometimes painful. Fighting the algorithm includes any interaction such as likes, comments, subscribes, things like that. But I actually love getting comments. I've responded to everyone so far, and I plan to for a very long time. Any crazy adventures or random skills you want me to attempt, because as a bard, I have a lot of random adventures that I just don't record. Oh, this drink is not settling right. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. I probably have links around. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, Jesus.